Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am doing a no makeup look. Yes, I know. Basically it's a really light makeup for me especially, and no lashes. I just wanted to do something quick and easy that other people can take some tips from. Generally when I have no makeup days, I just have no makeup. I am quite happy to go out with a bare face, but I know some people don't like to, so I figured I'd do a video that might give you some inspiration. So the first thing I am going to do is, this is the Becca, I think it's Backlight Primer, the purple one. I've got a tube of it, but loads came out, so I've had to do it this way. So I'm just going to dot this on my face. My face is all freshly clean. Sorry, I just got a mirror so that I can look down and see my beautiful face. Right, so that is the primer done. So I am going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I am going to mix it with, it's called Transformix Foundation Mixture, which makes it a bit more dewy. So I'm going to do 2 pumps of this on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to do a little blob of this dewy stuff. Hopefully this will work. And then taking a beauty blender. A beauty blender is the best one to get a light coverage because it practically shears it away. So I'm just going to dab that all into my skin. And you'll notice that I'm going over my eyes as well, because we are not going to do my usual eye routine. Well, you can tell that anyway in the fact that I've done the face first. Even the brows are going to be different. My skin is so dry at the moment. It's going to be a bit odd, but because I can't see, I don't want to keep moving the big mirror in front of me, so I'm just putting this one here just so I can see that I've blended it all in. Right, now because I do have dark under eyes, I'm going to go in with a bit of the Bobbi Brown Bisque Colour Corrector. It's a bit thick, this one. I actually don't like it as much anymore, but I couldn't find my Becca one. So I'm just going to dab this under my eyes, just at the front here, just so that it's not so I use my ring finger so you're not as harsh on your under eye, and I just dab it all in. Right, so the next thing to do is concealer. Now I brought the wrong concealer. This is Shape Tape. It's a bit more like full coverage than I would normally go for, but it's the one I've got on hand. So I'm just going to dab 4 dots, and I'm just going to put a little bit on the inner corner like that. Now I have got a few blemishes down here, which I would like extra coverage on, but that's it. The ones on here I'm just going to dab in with my finger. As you can see, that one does not want to cover up. Going in with my beauty blender, I'm just going to buff out that concealer again. I've only used a little bit. Now because I have got lines under my eyes, I do want to set that concealer really quickly. I'm not too fussed about the rest of my face because, like I say, I'm dry, but I do want to make sure my concealer is. So I'm going to go in. This is the MUA Skin Define Hydro Powder. So I'm just going to brush it away with, it's actually going to be my blending brush, but it's clean. Now I'm going to go on to bronzer. Now because it is a no makeup day, I do want to warm up my face because I am so pale. So I'm just going to go in. This is the Makeup Geek Sun Kissed bronzer, which is for fair skin. So it's just nice and cool. I'm going to go in with this My Kit Co. This is actually my Flawless Powder brush. I just really like it for bronzer. And I'm not going to contour with this. I'm literally going to warm up my face. Right, so that is just a light bronze. I'm then going to go in with blush. Now I wasn't sure what blush I wanted, so I've gone for, this is the Aldi Lacura blush, which is meant to be a dupe of it's meant to be a dupe of NARS Orgasm. It's a little bit more peachy than the NARS Orgasm, but I really do like it. And I'm going to mix it with the Physicians Formula Natural Glow. This is a bit too pale for me, so if I put them both together, This one's a bit more shimmery, so that'll tone it down. I'm just going to go in with the Aldi one that's the dupe. And then straight on top with the Physicians Formula. The Physicians Formula one is actually really, really nice. It's got such a lovely like sheen to it. It's just so pale that I think like, don't poke yourself in the eye, ouch. I think like porcelain ladies would love it, but it's just a bit too pale for me. Right, so that's just a flush of colour, just a little bit. And then I am going to go in with a bit of highlighter. Now, you don't have to do this step because highlighter is obviously a bit of an extra step and you have got enough in the cheeks anyway. I just really like highlighter. I'm going in with this is the New Look Pink Pearls one. It's really, really lovely. So it's just a really, really soft pink. I'm going to go in with this. This is a Peaches and Cream PCO3 brush. It's a bit longer than I would normally like, but because I am sort of spreading it all over, I'm not too fussed about it. And I am just going to do the tops of my cheeks. I'm just going to do a little bit over my brows, the tip of my nose, and a bit on the chin. And like I say, it is a really, really lovely baked highlight, so it's just nice. Eyeshadow that I'm going to use today, and yes, you heard me right, eyeshadow, is the K Rose Beige, and it is a matte brown in the shade Dorian. And all I'm going to do is just get a flat shader brush. This is a Zoeva 232, and I'm just going to pack it on my lid. Now you'll notice that I never set my lid, so it is still tacky from when I did the foundation concealer. I don't know why I did that, but all I'm going to do, I'm going to have to hold my mirror because I can't see now that I'm going a bit out close. I'm just going to pack it all over my lid. Now again, this is really optional. If you're on like no makeup days, you don't want to wear any eyeshadow, then don't wear eyeshadow. I literally just want to sweep because I just don't want my eyes to be overpowered. You can use a lighter brown. This is just the brown that I decided to use. And I'm going to use the brush just to curve it round. And using the same brush. Now I've took it on one side, so all I'm going to do is the bit that's like not got any products, that's the bit that's going to be near my bottom lash line. So I'm just going to roll it, smudge it under there. So now I've got that like that. I'm actually going to go in with my bronzer because it is a bit of a paler, cooler brown. And I'm going to use a Spectrum A08 brush and just put some bronzer. Now because it's bronzer, it's not going to be as pigmented as a light brown eyeshadow, so it's just going to go on nicely, just like that. And it's just more to blend out that brown, like so. Again, back in with the brush, just a bit more colour. Because I have got a slight hood, I want to make sure that it's up a bit higher than you would normally. Bit of bronzer. Right, mascara. I'm going in with the Icon. This is the Lengthening Skinny Brush Mascara. Now that is the difference. I hope you can tell. Maybe if I zoom you in. So. Nice difference to that. Now, because I have a fluffy brow, well I've got a lot of brow hairs, I'm only going to put some brow gel in my brows. If you don't have much, if you prefer to make it structured, that's completely up to you. Brows are optional, brows are what you want to do with them. Right, so once the brows are done, I am going to highlight the inner corner and my brow bone. I'm just going to use a Q-tip to do that because I didn't bring a brush. So I'm just going to pop some on the inner corner and just a bit on my brow bone, like so. I'm just going to use some spray. This is not setting spray, this is just a Rosewood Reviving Mist from Monu Spa. I'm just using this just to soak in my powders. I've been flying from town to town. Oh, it doesn't smell the best. And then I'm just going to dab my beauty blender. Like so. So now it's for the lip. Normally I would just put on lip balm, but I'm going to do a nude for the sake of this video. I like nude at the moment. So this is the Peggy Sage lip liner in, I think it's meant to be marron glaze. I'm just going to do my lip. And then with my finger, I'm just going to blend out the edges, like so. And then I'm going to go in with the Jade or Sunstone lip gloss. And that is the finished look. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I know it's a bit different to what I normally do. It is very, very minimal for me. I know to others this might still seem like a lot of makeup, but for me I do like to pile it on because when I do the makeup, because I don't wear it all the time, I like to go to town. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please do give me a massive thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!